How to update Bluetooth driver in Windows 11. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can update your Bluetooth driver in Windows 11. Firstly, open your device manager. For that, press Windows plus X on your keyboard. After that, this kind of menu will open. On this menu, select the option Device Manager. Just for a clear view, I'm gonna open it on full screen. Now at the left panel, you will see different options. Click on the small arrow icon in front of the Bluetooth option to expand it. Now right click on the Bluetooth device that you want to update. When you right click on it, then this kind of menu opens. Here simply select the option Update Driver. After you tap on it, then this kind of menu will open. On this menu, select the first option, Search automatically for drivers. Now Windows will search for and install the latest driver if available. After this is done, then give your device a quick restart. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.